Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust with a keyboard and mouse on your PS5. First, simply connect your preferred keyboard and mouse directly into the available USB ports on your PlayStation 5 console. It's also a good idea to ensure your PS5 system software is completely up to date for optimal compatibility. Once connected, launch Rust and look for control options within the game's settings menu. After connecting your devices, dive into Rust's in-game settings. You'll want to find the Control or Input section. Here, look for specific options that allow you to enable or fine-tune keyboard and mouse input. Take your time to adjust the mouse sensitivity to your liking and customize keybinds for actions like building or looting. This personalization is key for a smooth experience. With your settings configured, it's time to practice. Spend some time in a safe area of Rust to get comfortable with your new keyboard and mouse controls. Experiment with your mouse's DPI settings to find the perfect balance between speed and precision for aiming. Custom keybinds can significantly improve your reaction time, so make sure they feel natural for your playstyle. While Rust generally supports keyboard and mouse, remember that native support can vary between different PlayStation 5 games. Always ensure your specific keyboard and mouse models are compatible with the PS5 console itself. Keep an eye out for game updates, as developers often release patches that can further optimize or enhance keyboard and mouse functionality, providing an even better experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.